Mark, binabasa pala to llaollao.
Llaollao.
Llaollao. Llaollao Marquee Mall, Angeles City. This is the first day and solid ang support ng mga patrons ng Llaollao. As early as 1:30 AM guys. Ayan. Ganon kaaga guys, ganon kaaga. So, ganon talaga siya pinagkakaguluhan. Anyway, so we're gonna give you a glimpse of what happened today. And if you're interested to know more about this is Llaollao Marquee Mall, Angeles City. Let's go! Kayo po ang customer number 1.
Yes, sir.
What time po kayo dumating dito?
1:30 po.
1:30 AM.
Yes po. Baka kasi sa sobrang dami ng tao na pumipila, kaya pumunta na ako. Eh ngayon, gusto mo makatikim ng solid number 1 llaollao. Eh, pipilahan mo kahit saan man yan.
Ang galing!
Yes po.
Thank you po. Anong name nila, ma'am?
Nessie po.
From?
Nueva Ecija.
Nueva Ecija. Alright, thank you. Nabawa ka ba, Len?
Welcome to llaollao Marquee Mall branch.
Solid na, ma'am?
Favorite eating.
Yes.
Healthy pa.
Yes. So, 1 year yan?
1 year.
Solid kayo? Anong oras dumating?
3:30 sir. 3:30 po.
Solid.
I'm from llaollao Philippines and I'm the marketing officer.
Ma'am, so yung ano ba yung mga makukuha nila, yung mga pumila?
So yung top 10 ko, mananalo siya ng 1 year supply ng frozen yogurt.
Okay.
So the next 20 customer, mananalo naman sila ng 6 months
6
supply.
months, the next 20, okay.
The next 20, 3 months supplies, then yung 51 to 100, dalawang pirasong GC, which is yung best-selling naming Sanu.
Oh.
Yeah.
So, congratulations po kasi as early as 1 AM may nakapila na tayo.
Yes, 1
Ganun nila
AM.
kasarap yung llaollao.
Correct.
Alright, thank you po. Guys, 1 year supply, weekly supply. Look at this guys, 1 year supply. Solid.
Thank you so much for all the efforts and to those who come as early as 1 AM. So congratulations everyone and thank you so much. Please visit us here in Marquee Mall Level 1. It's our 5th branch here in Pampanga, but in llaollao Philippines, this is our 28th branch nationwide. And we are the number 1 frozen yogurt in the world.
Llaollao Marquee Mall is now open. So, di ba wala yung tikiman portion siyempre guys.
Akin syempre yung kanilang famous Sanu. Sarap talaga ng llaollao.
Actually, one of the best dessert you're gonna have, and at the same time, guilt-free.
Yes.
Dahil of course, still refreshing, a little bit of sugar. At the end of the day, ito yung yogurt, frozen yogurt. Yan, healthiest in the world, sabi nga ni Ma'am.
Yes, and it is a prebiotic. And sabi nga niya, this is the number 1 yogurt in the world. Yan.
Llaollao Marquee Mall is now open. If you're interested to know more about this, actually, nasa ano siya, likod lamang siya nung stage dito sa event center or event hall. Nasa ibaba siya nung parang escalator.
Yes.
Congratulations again, llaollao Philippines and Aquino Bistro Group. If you're interested to know more about this, check out the footage we're going to be including, and thank you so much for watching. We're in Pampanga.
Until our next discovery. Peace out.
Cheers guys.